security camera that comes with their own hub. Now, the benefit for this is now I can add up to 4 cameras. Now, the cameras are 100% wireless, which means I don't need to connect to any hot wires or run some battery for about 4 to 6 hours. I'll explain how that works. Can be used indoor or outdoor, no problem. Rain, snow, that's super okay. And it has their own hub that you're going to be connected right into your router. Now, the benefit of these cameras, the MCs, sometimes people having a lot of problems, is connecting the camera to the hub. Okay, my camera says 2.4 gigahertz, so my hub is already set for 2.4. We need 5 gigahertz, so the camera does not support 5 gigahertz. And what was my username or password? Oh, wait, and it was a little complicated to set up those cameras. I mean, they're hard, but I see sometimes a lot of comments, oh, why my camera does not detect 5 gigahertz? So with this, that's all out. Why? Because I'm going to wire the hub, the route, the base, right, hardwire right into my router, and this camera automatically will sync without worrying about any password or any usernames or anything else. I'll show all those things right now. So how we doing, everyone? I'm Dario, and this is Mediaboxent. Well, always we're bringing you the latest in technology, and today, security cameras. Now, it's in the beginning, right? So this 100% wireless the camera. So the cameras are outdoor, indoor, so no problem, right? Now they are 4 megapixel. And let me check my notes for a second. Resolution 2560 for 1440p HT. Now the cameras are 360 degrees and tilt is 90 degrees. Both cameras are the same. I'll run some battery, so you need to charge this so you get it. I will say I will leave it for the day so you get full charge. They're pretty simple. So it's USB Type-C right there. You open that out and charge your camera. On and off. Simple. Turn it on and that's it. And then you're going to see the red light. Now the red light is on. Why? Because the hub is off. When it connects, becomes green. Now you see the sensors in the camera and LED lights. You can turn it on, or we can turn it on when somebody pass by. If you activate that, you can activate the alarm or the light as well too. So exactly what you get. So to charge a camera, that comes with the adapter USB 110 to 20 with the USB cable Type A to C. You can use anything around the house. You can even use your power adapter from your cell phone, or you can charge it on your computer. That's it. Simple. Then you get the USB Type-C to micro USB. That will be for the base station. And then to connect to your hub. You got that. What else we get? Now, installation-wise, it has to be something simple because every few months we need to remove the camera. So it comes with a bracket. So either you install this in the ceiling or around the wall. And it comes with all the screws, all the things you need. So let's go this way. You can use 4 screws or use just one in each corner. For me, maybe I use one in each corner, so you have to take 4 screws out. So every 6 months, you just remove the camera, put it back to charge, and put it back again. Now, one of the benefits is, we say, why I got to do that, Dario? Well, the benefit is you want to install it outside your house. Maybe you want to put it right in a tree or somewhere where there is no power. And it's hard. You have to run at 110. You have to run all these cables. You got to call an electrician. So this is simple. You just put it anywhere, either inside the house or outside without going crazy. The other way around, yes, you need to charge it every, a few months. It was explaining how we can extend the life on these cameras. The antenna, and that's it. Not much into it. Oh, and by the way, reset switch, you don't need to worry. I will say you have to reset this if you're going to install this in another hub. So you do that. Automatic gets detected with the main station. There is no memory here. All right, so the memory goes on the main part. Okay, we can call this a hub or base station. So memory goes right here, 128 gigabyte. You're gonna connect hardwire. That's why it says no Wi-Fi. You don't need to worry about password or anything else, because the idea this is gonna go next to the hub, next to your router, your modem. Power, 5 volts. Right there. A speaker, and the speaker is for the alarm. When it comes on, the network is connected, so it's a white light there. 1 and 2, 3, 4 cameras. So this will eventually, the store will go off, and we'll only have 3 lights on. One is connected. We're gonna have the green light right here, and we're gonna have the green, and this one too. Now it's super easy to connect. The only thing you need to do is turn these 2 cameras on, troop the hub. If you have any problem, you just go and synchronize. You see that? Now start resetting, and eventually will connect each camera. And then you can synchronize in case it will not detect the camera. Installation was super simple, as you see. Not much into it. And full instructions. The only thing you need to do is just Apple, Android, just go and download the app. All right, so one download the app, by the way, is Cloud Edge 365. So now we can see we have a green light right there. So it means, hey, it detects the base station. So let's go there. Now, time to time, I'm always going to push to go and get cloud service. I think it costs you $2.99 a month, or you can use the memory, a combination of both. All right, so we see the 4 cameras. I can just go and press 1, and I can go and move that one out. Do we see right there? Or click here and move this one out. Or we can just go full screen if you want in that case. Now the base station, I'm going to turn the alarms on. So go right there, push notification. See, I'm going to turn the alarm right there. So we got the volume 40%, the storage, time, and set a password, and you can synchronize this with Alexa if you want. So that's the base station. From the base station, I can just go to any camera. Camera 1 is connected. I'm going to detect the motion sensor. And the motion sensor, you can set how you want it, high, lower, or medium. Detect all day, or maybe in the morning, or at night. Depends how you want it. And let's turn on, in this case, the alarm on. So eventually we'll start going on. So let's wait. That's it. So the alarm is on, and if you want the lights, you can throw the lights on. So I think that maybe comes on at night. Let's see what happens. Eventually, we'll start going off in a second. Want to start playing around with this and recording, and that's very important now. So in this case, this is record 24 hours a day. I do not recommend that, and I say why. Because it's only 128 gigabytes, you're going to waste the batteries super fast. And I don't think you're going to be able to fit a 24-hour video right there in the memory. Eventually, we'll start getting deleted. Remember, normally it records a minute video. So let's say maybe get about 6 hours. And after that, we'll start erasing the old videos. So the settings, they are the optimal battery. The idea is optimal battery, 10 seconds, and that's why we say it can last between 4 to 6 months. So let's give it out. It can last 6 months using this 10 seconds. Then we have another version. They call it an optimal version. So this will be maybe the 4 months version. And I'm to rock it. So it's going to go and record 24 hours. Now, if you're getting these type of cameras, I do recommend use the optimal battery, so at least it will last 6 months, or you have to go and get powered in, but that defeats the purpose, right? So the idea for this is you don't need to worry. So if 10 seconds is perfect, then that's what you want to do. So let's confirm that. And what else? And then from here, I can go and switch to my second camera. So again, let's go down, let's turn on, let's put optimal battery. And this push notification is on. Oh, and let's turn on to detect. Siren on. And let's push the light. Perfect. Let's go back. And that's really what the whole configuration. At this point, we can just go and move any camera, like I showed before. Let's move this one. You can go up, down. Let's go and let's point it up this way. You see? We can and go full video. And by the way, that is true in way audio. I can talk to the cameras. Okay, so let's see. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, let go. 1, 2, 3, 1. Yeah, hello. And I can listen to any camera. That's what I was saying. You hear that? So automatic start detecting and the light comes on. You see? Now it turns off. Now the next thing with that is not only you have the alarms right into the cameras, but also you have the alarm right in the base. And you can turn one on or both off, only one, or just have this one going on without any sounds the ones you have outside. So it depends how you want it. So if you see the benefit of this, it's super easy to use. You don't need to set any password for your Wi-Fi. Remember why? Because the main unit is going to be connected right into the hub. There's no 2.4 or 5 gigahertz. Now the option also for the cloud, they've been pushing a lot of that. Also, if you want, you can go to the cloud. I think the cycle 3 days cycle is about, I think, $3. Now, to get these cameras, I will leave the link right below. Remember, you can start with 2 and then buy more up to 4 cameras in one single base station. Once again, I'm Dario, and this is Mediaboxent. I'll see you next time. Bye.